Any woodworker knows how important it is to have a router to hollow out and shape any piece of wood. Even if you're new to woodworking, you probably already know that a wood router is the best power tool to make this job easier. Wood routers have always been a great help for me in making templates and creating artwork on wood blocks that I personally enjoy a lot. There are many products available to choose best wood router, each with different characteristics, benefits and price. To help you make an informed decision, I found these products much helpful for people like. If you know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any farther delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Makita RT-0701CX7 4th Compact Router. If you're looking for a feature-rich router that's compact, easy to use and affordable, you should definitely check out the Makita RT-0701CX7. It's perfect for both home-based and pro woodworkers. This aluminum-made router is extremely durable and sleek in design. Double insulation brass is used on the body to make it scratch and damage resistant. Makita RT-0701CX7 operates on a soft start motor with 1.25 HP and 6.5 amps. The adjustable speed dial has a whopping range of 10,000 RPM to 30,000 RPM, which you can get from expensive high-end models only. You can easily change the speed as per your requirements. However, this router doesn't feature any LED light that disappointed us. But it shouldn't be a problem unless you're working in poor lighting conditions. We would have also appreciated it if the on-off switch had a dust shield. Apart from these few negatives, you'll love the incredible features that the RT-0701CX7 model comes with. Number 2. Bosch 1617 EVS 2.25 HP Electronic Fixed Base Router. This is another excellent compact router from Bosch. Though cheaper than the 1617 EVS-PK, it still offers you similar features. It doesn't have two bases like the former, but you can handle almost all types of woodworking projects with the fixed base. This router has a heavy-duty 2.25 HP motor rated at 12 amps. This power is enough to perform basic routing and easily cut through materials. There is an air vent that keeps the motor cool even under heavy workload. It also offers an excellent variable speed range between 8,000 RPM to 25,000 RPM. You can easily and quickly adjust the speed with the speed dial. We hardly found any negatives about this router. But we faced one problem: the C-ring was often falling off. If you happen to face a similar problem, contact the manufacturer since this model is backed by 1-year warranty. Number 3. DeWalt DWP611 Router. The DWP611 is another excellent small and lightweight router from DeWalt. But this model doesn't come with a kit like the DWP611PK. It only has a D-shaped fixed base, which is clear enough to see your workpiece well. The dual LED lights illuminate your workpiece for even better visibility. This compact power tool comes with a 1.25 HP motor that produces enough powerful torque to help you perform even the toughest applications, such as huge edge profiles, flush trimming, or minimal bevel cuts. The DWP611's motor also has a soft start feature that maintains its speed throughout the cut. There is a 1/43 diameter collet since it's a compact router and a spindle lock button to change the bits. But we found the bit changing process quite complex and time-consuming that could have been hassle-free. However, we would have appreciated electric brakes on this device as a great safety feature. But you'll be glad that this product is backed by a 3-year limited warranty. Number 4. Bosch 1617 EVS-PK Wood 12 amp Router. Bosch 1617 EVS-PK is one of most frequently reviewed and top-rated mid-range routers out there. This compact router is so easy to use that beginners will surely love this machine. This model comes with a variable speed motor that allows you to adjust the speed between 8,000 RPM to 25,000 RPM. It has a 2.25 HP and 12 amp large and powerful motor, which is one of the most powerful we've seen on wood routers. In terms of versatility, Bosch 1617 EVS-PK is simply unmatched. All work turned out pretty accurate, and we were highly impressed with its performance. This model is a bit heavier than the Bosch 1617 EVS, but more compact in size. The motor housing and the base are made from heavy-duty aluminum that makes it extremely durable. Moreover, there is a dust shield over its power switch that further enhances its durability. However, switching between the two bases could be a bit difficult, and there are no templates that most other similar models have. You have to buy them separately. Number 5. Makita XTR01Z18VLXT Cordless Compact Router. This is another quality wood router from Makita on our list. This cordless router has the same variable speed range like the Makita RT-0701CX7, but it's more compact in size. Makita XTR01Z comes with a brushless motor that offers you more running time than a brushed motor. It offers you more accurate and faster cuts. Besides, the motor gets more power transferred from its 18V battery. With its 1/43 shank bit, this router can perform any of your trim work with great efficiency. This router stands out with its ergonomic design. We found the rubberized grip super comfortable to hold. You can expect to have a smooth routing session with this easy-to-use machine. Moreover, it comes with dual LED lights that aren't common with every trim router. This feature definitely is a great addition. You'll appreciate its compact size too. However, the package doesn't contain a storage or carrying case, and you have to buy that separately as a result.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you wants to know product price to check out of my description for any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay update with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.